I know a lot of you are seeing this piece right here in the front, and you're all saying, oh, I wish I could just, how do I get those pieces to hang down? I love those like pieces that just, you know, one piece or two pieces that just come down from the hair. Well, I'm gonna explain to you how to get that kind of look, and a lot of it has to do with having the right hair length, okay? Now, you could even do it on hair that is a bit shorter, even like this. Okay, you've got these pieces coming down. The key is, no matter what, this is the most important thing, no matter what hairstyle you have, the front of your hair, the front pieces, these pieces have to be the longest point in the entire haircut, okay? Or they have to be very, very well balanced to where it's all even. But this has to have enough length for it to go back like so, and then come down like this. If you do not have the hair length, and it doesn't matter, I know all of you, well, how long does it have to be? How long? Okay, let me guess. This is about probably 5 inches right here. 6, who knows? But you see how it's sprung back up? So your hair has to be probably a lot longer than you think it needs to be, okay? And how do I grow my hair to get that? Grow your hair. It's that simple. Grow your hair to as long as it needs to be to where you actually can do it, and then have it. There's no magical formula, no magic pill, no nothing. Keep growing your hair until one day you go like this and you have pieces. It could take months, it could take weeks, you could be there already, you just don't know it. So now that you have the length there, now you know you need to have this. How do you get these pieces just to fall? Well, believe it or not, I know some of you may think, oh, I gotta like mat down my hair. If you are using a product that's a super, super strong holding product, like a super strong clay, you know, a matte paste, any of those really, really, really strong products, then your hair is gonna have a harder time doing this. You need something like my new crafted matte pomade or my shadow product, or something that is so loose, the blow dry cream, that when you run your fingers through it like so, it's gonna go back. But the key is you could also then take a little bit of product and literally just take a piece like this, and you're literally pinching. You're pinching like this. It's literally like you're using your fingers like pinchers, and you're taking a little pinch, and you're taking that product and pulling it through that one piece, and then you bring this all back. There you go. You're gonna have pieces. It is a technique. I know it seems super easy, but if you want to have that, if you don't use product, all of this is gonna fall forward. The only way to get these nice little pieces coming down is if you use the technique of like a little pincher like this, take product on that piece and work it through like it's its own little strand, and then you're gonna have those pieces come down like this. And even if you brush your hair back, you see how this will come down again? So it's really important that you have the length, that you use the right technique, you use the right product. Don't be afraid to use product on this one piece and then work the hair in, and then next thing you know, you can then have these pieces that you've always wanted. So please let me know if you found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.